Today I'm working on a Harris visible typewriter, which was made between 1912 and 1915. It has the original spools, which is good because those can be really hard to find. The decals in this one are in excellent shape, and these machines were made in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin of all places. This machine has more cobwebs on it than any other machine I've ever had. The person I bought it from said a relative gave it to them 50 years ago and that they'd had it as a display piece ever since. Looking at all this dust, I can believe it. One of my favorite parts about any typewriter restoration is blowing the machine out with a dust gun, and this was among the most satisfying ones I've ever done. It's still pretty dirty in there, so I'll probably have to get in with a Q-tip and some mineral spirits. And some good news, the bell still works. The decorative markings on this particular machine are in really good shape. But hiding just behind one of those panels, yep, a very dead mouse. He's been there for a long time. That's a first.